Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, remote vehicle start, alloy wheels. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.